Hello everyone, from training to income, a step-by-step system anyone can use to make money online and offline. Many people do not lack opportunities. They lack a structured way to learn, practice and turn skills into income. In this video, I am bringing you a step-by-step guide by which you can actually make money both online and offline using training. The importance of training and retraining cannot and can never be overemphasized. Number one, step one, shift your mindset from quick money to skill money. I repeat, shift your mindset from quick money to skill money. Most people fail because they chase methods instead of building valuable skills. Key mindset shifts. See money as a reward for solving problems, not luck or connections. Accept that you will need training, practice, and feedback before big money shows up. Many wealthy entrepreneurs learn skills first, then they monetize those skills that they have learned. For example, Jeff Bezos, he is from North America. He trained and worked for years in finance and tech before launching Amazon, using his expertise in markets and technology to build an online empire. Aliko Dangote, who is from Africa and precisely Nigeria, he learned trading and distribution deeply before expanding into manufacturing, turning business knowledge into a multi-billion-dollar offline conglomerate. Jack Ma, who is from Asia, he failed many times, taught English and studied the internet before launching Alibaba. His training and persistence turned into one of the biggest online marketplaces in the world. Amancio Ortega, who is from Europe, he spent years learning clothing production and retail business systems before building Zara and the Indie Tech Group into a global offline retail giant. Reflection for you. Before I ask how to make money, I must first ask, which skill am I willing to learn, to train, and improve for the next 6 to 12 months? Step number 2. Choose one money path. Don't do everything at once. Don't do everything at once. Training only turns into money when it is focused. So, as my viewer, pick only one core path first. Online path examples are freelancing, like writing, design, video editing, social media, content creation like YouTube, TikTok, blogging, podcasting, online courses, coaching, teaching what you know, e-commerce and dropshipping, affiliate marketing and digital products, and many more. You can also make money through the offline part and by taking one of these training in the offline area. Examples include local services like photography, catering, cleaning, tailoring, repairs. Training centers or physical classes, ICT, language skills. Buying and reselling goods, foodstuff, clothing, digital gadgets, and many more. Real examples of people focusing on a part. One of such people is Sonny Lenarduzzi. He's from North America. He focused on YouTube strategy and online courses. Then he scaled one skill into multi-billion-dollar education business. Another individual is Ryan Moran, who is from North America. He concentrated on building and selling e-commerce brands, becoming a multi-millionaire by going deep into one model. You can see I said just one model. Now, let's look at the local Nigerian creators. In the make money online and online hustle space, have focused on specific skills like video editing, affiliate marketing, or investment education to grow channels and income. Simple decision question I want to ask you. If I had to bet on one path for the next 12 months, which would I choose? Is it going to be freelancing, content creation, online courses, e-commerce, or a local offline service? Ask yourself this question and then you commit yourself to that particular part that you have selected. Now, let's look at step number 3. Commit to structured training. And that structured training is going to take you a minimum of 90 days. So this is where most people need more training. They dabble instead of committing to a structured learning plan. A 90-day training structure for you or for anyone. Month 1, foundations. So you look at the foundation. This is a 90-day training plan which you can go into in day 1 or month 1, foundations. Learn basic concepts, terminology, and tools of the chosen path. Follow 1 to 2 trusted mentors or courses instead of 20 random videos. So pick one person and follow through that procedure of that person. If you are picking me, follow through my own procedure and then you go through. In month 2, what do? Then guided practice. Do small projects. First clients for freelancing. First videos for content creation. First products for e-commerce. Use feedback from real people to improve. Month 3, implementation and optimization. Repeat what works. Remove what doesn't. Set a clear money goal. First 50,000 Naira online. First $200 from my side hustle. Set your goal. Real people who use structured training are as follows. A client of Sonny Lenarduzzi named Kibi used a guided course on building online programs and hit $1 million in revenue by applying a clear framework step by step. Students highlighted in Mark Person's content went from broke to over $4 million in online course revenue after focusing on mentorship, learning from failures, and improving their products. Now, here is the question I want to ask you as my viewer. Am I willing to follow one structured program for at least 90 days without jumping to the next shiny thing? This is where most people miss it. They don't go deep. They go shallow. So take one thing, go deep into that thing. That one thing, if it's tailoring, go into your tailoring, learn the basics of tailoring, go into it, know what other people know, then go ahead and begin to know what others don't know. Begin to get the machines others don't get, so that all others doing tailoring like you, they will have to come to you to be able to do something, and that means you are getting money from customers, you are getting money from even co-tailors like yourself. Now, step number 4, turn training into skill through daily practice. Training only becomes valuable when it turns into measurable skill. Daily practice ideas that you can use are for freelancers. Write proposals daily. Practice designs, edit sample videos, or build portfolio projects. Content creators, what do? Publish short videos regularly. Test thumbnails and titles and analyze what works. Then trainers, coaches, teach in small groups, host free webinars, or run WhatsApp classes to refine teaching methods. So all these things you have to practice before you can start earning. Then for offline business, talk to customers daily, refine offers, track which products sell fastest. Examples of skill built by repetition. Number 1 here is Matt Parr, who is from North America. Matt Parr built multiple faceless YouTube channels and teaches others how to do the same. His results came from consistently making and optimizing many videos over time. Another individuals, this person, many Nigerian YouTube educators in finance and online business have grown by posting consistently, learning what their audience responds to, and improving content quality over time. You can do the following as you watch me. Note that training is like going to the gym. You don't build muscle by reading about push-ups. You build it by actually doing the push-up. So if you want to go into content creation, start content creation not just by reading about content creation. Read about it, learn about it, then you start, then you continue, and then you make it. Step number 5 is that you have to package your skill into an offer people can pay for. No money flows until there is a clear offer. Teach them to answer these questions clearly. Who do you help? So in what you have learned, who do you help? Are you helping students? Are you helping small businesses? Are you helping business professionals or you are helping parents? So in your offer of service or of whatever, whether online or offline, you should know who you want to help. Then what problem do you solve? No time, no customers, no skills, no clarity, confusion. So this is another one. Then what results do they get from working with you or buying from you? This is going to guide you. Common offer examples: I edit 5 YouTube shorts per week for busy creators so they can grow faster without spending time on editing. Another one is I help Nigerian students learn how to make their first 50,000 naira online through freelancing and basic digital skills. Another one is I sell quality foodstuff and deliver to your home so you don't waste time in the market. Examples of strong offers in action are as follows. Jason Fladlien is from North America. He became famous for powerful webinar offers, selling digital products and coaching with very clear results promised to his audience. We also have another individual referred to as Chrissy Chin, who is also from North America. This Chrissy Chin built a coaching course business by helping business owners package their knowledge into offers that sell online. We also have Robbie Blanchard. Robbie Blanchard is from North America. He built wealth by focusing on affiliate marketing offers that convert using advertising to drive traffic. Now, I want to encourage you as my viewer, write your offer in one simple sentence. If it is not clear on paper, it will not be clear in your customer's mind. Step number 6 is you have to start small. You have to start small, charge small, then increase. Many people delay launching because they want everything to be perfect. Teach a start small strategy. Start with beta clients or test customers at a lower price in exchange for feedback and testimonials. Deliver your best work. Learn from mistakes and improve your system. Increase prices gradually as demand and skill grow. Examples of starting small in Sonny Lenoduzzi's training. Clients like Anna and Denver, they scaled from their first course launches, earning over $225,000 and $155,000 by starting, improving, and then scaling with proper systems. Many successful digital entrepreneurs began with tiny email lists or small local audiences and scaled gradually instead of waiting for huge traffic from day one. A line that I want to use to inform you more is that your first version will not be your final version, and that is perfectly fine. Money comes from imperfect action, not perfect planning. So you have to take action. Step number 7 is that you have to multiply income streams after one stream is working. So you perfect one stream and then you multiply. Once one skill or business starts earning consistently, training shifts to scaling and diversification. Ways to multiply income are as follows. Add related services, e.g. video editor also offers thumbnail designs and channel management. Add digital products, e.g. courses, templates, ebooks based on your experience. Add affiliate products that your audience already needs. Then expand offline by opening a small shop, training center, or franchise model. Now, examples of diversification model that we have seen is Ryan Moran. He used e-commerce brands, then added education, content, and investments, building multiple income streams around his expertise. Jack Ma grew from basic online marketplaces into payments, logistics, and cloud computing, creating a powerful ecosystem. Aliko Dangote expanded from trading into cement, sugar, salt, and now oil refinery, creating several complementary streams. Do not rush to multiple streams. until you have one working stream. A leaking bucket that is multiplied is still leaking. Step number 8, keep learning, keep training, keep updating. The world of money, especially online, changes fast. The people who stay rich are the ones who keep learning. Ongoing training habits that I recommend is that attend at least one serious course program or workshop each year. Study successful people in your industry and model what works ethically. Track your numbers, income, expenses, reviews, conversion rates, customer feedback, and many more. Many 7-figure online educators and entrepreneurs invest heavily back into training, mentorship, and mastermind because they know that one new idea or system can add thousands or millions to their results. Comment below which skill you are ready to train for in the next 90 days. And if you want an advanced class, type train me in the comment section below and I am going to bring up what you have asked for. Again, my name is Dr. Olumide and on this channel I teach you how to make money online and offline. I believe you have gained value from this video. If that is the case, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more. Until I come your way in the next one, from training to income, a step-by-step system anyone can use to make money online and offline. Training is very important, and then retraining also is important. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.